Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you our 3 months crystal clear study plan for the NEET 2023. So let's begin. So we are going to start with a 3 months physics crash course for the NEET 2023 on 1st of Feb 2023. And here are some details of the course. So we'll cover the complete NEET syllabus in just 2.5 months. So we'll start on 1st of Feb 2023 and we'll finish everything by 14th of April 2023. And we are not going to finish it just for the sake of finishing. We'll do everything in great detail. So at this point of moment, you don't need to do all lengthy derivations, okay, lengthy derivations. You need to understand the concepts, and all concepts we are going to do in great detail, okay. So it doesn't matter whether you are beginner in your preparation or you are at intermediate level or you are an expert, everybody will understand everything. Alright, so we are going to do everything, every concept in great detail. After that, we are going to have 5 lectures per week, and every lecture will be of duration of about 2.5 to 3 hours. Okay, so these lectures are going to be from Monday to Friday. Then there will be a weekly test. So whatever we cover in these lectures, there will be a test based upon that on every Saturday. Okay, so there will be a weekly test on every Saturday. Then on every Sunday, there will be a text explanation and doubt solution class. So I will explain the test, okay, in this class, and also I will solve your doubts. So your doubts might be from this test, or your doubts might be from the 5 lectures that we took in a week. So of course you can ask me your doubts in these live lectures too. Okay, then you will get precise notes, to the point notes for your complete NEET syllabus, and of course you will get the class notes. So whatever I write in the class, you will get notes for that. Then you will get daily practice questions. So about 100 questions you will get for daily practice. So at this moment you need the precise questions too. So the practice questions will be based upon the pattern of questions that are being asked in the NEET exam by NTA. Okay, so these daily practice questions, they will be very carefully selected. Okay, so that's about the features of the course. So now let's come to the lecture planner for the course. So as you can see, I have an exhaustive lecture planner for this entire course. Okay, so the entire course is very well structured, and there will not be even a single mismatch in this planner and the course that we are going to conduct. So we'll start the mechanics part from 1st of Feb 2023 and we'll cover it by 22 of Feb 2023. Then we will move on to the second part of the 11th standard syllabus. So we'll start it by 23rd of Feb and we'll cover the entire 11th syllabus by 9th of March 2023. Then we'll move on to the 12th part. Okay, so we'll start it on 10th of March, and as I said, we'll cover the entire syllabus by 14th of April. So we'll cover everything, and every concept will be taught in very great detail. Okay, so be assured about that. So now let's come to the plans. So there are 2 plans for the course. First one is Crash Live and the second one is Crash Play. So now you might ask, what is the difference between these 2 plans, Crash Live and Crash Play? So as the name itself suggests, Crash Live is live classes and Crash Play is the recorded videos of those live classes that you can play as per your convenience. So the Crash Live will begin on 1st of Feb 2023 and Crash Play, it will begin on the next day. Okay, because you are going to get the same live classes, same recorded videos of the live classes, so you will get it on the next day. So the biggest advantage of the Crash Live is this class is taken in the live interactive manner. Okay, it will be a video meeting type class. So of course you will be able to see me and I will be able to see you. We will be able to hear each other's voices. So the biggest benefit is whenever you have a doubt, you can stop me there itself in the lecture itself and you can ask your doubt and I can solve your doubt in the live class itself. Okay, so this is the biggest benefit of Crash Live. So live classes and in-class doubt solving will not be there in Crash Play, but everything else will be there. Okay, so what is that everything else? So you will get the recorded videos of all these classes, so that if you miss some point in Crash Live also, if you miss some point in the class, unfortunately you miss the entire class itself. Okay, so the lectures will be available for you to see afterwards. So you will get the recorded videos, then the practice questions will be there, the same practice questions you will get in Crash Live and Crash Play. Then you will get the class notes. Okay, you will get the precise study notes also, and you will get the class notes. So whatever I teach in class, whatever I write in class, those class notes you will get the same day. Okay, then there will be a weekly test in Crash Live as well as in the Crash Play. Then the test solution class, it's there in Crash Live too, it's there in Crash Play too. Okay, so this is a recorded video lectures, but these are supported recorded video lectures. Okay, so if you have some doubt in 5 classes of the week, you can ask me those doubts in the Sunday's class. Okay, then at the end of the syllabus, there will be a test series on the complete syllabus, and there will be live test solution in Crash Live as well as Crash Play. So the fee for these 2 plans, okay, it is very reasonable. So it is 6,000 rupees only for Crash Live and 3,500 rupees for the Crash Play. Okay, so the fee is very reasonable, and on the top of that there is an extra offer. Okay, so if you join by 31st of Jan 2023, so you will get 1,000 rupees off for Crash Live and 500 rupees off for Crash Play. Okay, but this offer is there just for first 50 students. So if you are among the first 50 students who join either Crash Live or Crash Play, you will get 1,000 rupees off here for the Crash Live and 500 rupees off for the Crash Play. So this is the course, this is the plan. Okay, I hope you understood everything. In case if you have some doubt, you can ask it to me on my number 9113635669. If you want to join the class, please hurry up and call me, send me a WhatsApp message or a Telegram message on 9113635669. So I'm looking forward to talk to you. See you in the course. Thanks for watching the video.